Hey besties, in today's video I'm going to share with you 5 websites where you can get paid for texting. You can get paid up to $90 for texting, for sending a text. And the first website on my list here is called Feebler. Yes, so guys, Feebler is a get paid to text app that allows you to earn money by offering your expertise and skills through chat services. This app provides a platform for freelancers and professionals to connect with clients who need their services. Now, the platform offers a wide range of services including writing, editing, translation, graphic design, and social media management. You can create a profile and offer your services in any of these areas. Clients can contact you through the Feebler platform and you'll be paid for every minute that you spend chatting with them. Guys, Feebler is an excellent app that pays you to text as a freelancer. Feebler pays its experts through PayPal and the minimum payout is $5. Experts earn up to $5 per questions, yes, depending on the complexity of the question. The next app on my list here is called IQ App. Yes, so IQ App provides a platform for people who want to learn new things and get insights from experts in different fields. The process of earning money on IQ is straightforward, and you need to create an account and provide details of your areas of expertise. You will then receive text messages from people who need advice on those topics, and you'll be paid for every text message that you send, and you can earn up to $5 per message. Now, IQ has a range of topics that you can offer advice on. The app covers topics like technology, health, fitness, cooking, and personal finance. If you have expertise in any of these areas, you can earn money by providing advice to people who need it. Another app here is called Ginger. Yes, so Ginger is a popular messaging app that offers unique features to its users, including the ability to earn money while texting. The app is available for both Android and iOS device, and it is free to download and use. Ginger works by allowing users to send text messages to other Ginger users, and for each message sent, the user earns points and it can be redeemed for real money. Users can also earn points by completing various tasks on the app, like watching ads or taking surveys. One unique thing about Ginger is that it's a get paid to text app that uses artificial intelligence to suggest text responses to users. This can save time and make texting faster and more efficient. Additionally, this app allows users to also send voice messages, photos, and videos, and it makes it a versatile messaging platform. The next one on my list here is Working Solutions app. Yes, the Working Solutions app is a mobile app that offers flexible work opportunities for people who want to earn money by texting. The app allows users to work remotely and get paid for their services, which makes it an ideal option for people looking for a side hustle or even a part-time job. As a text agent with Working Solutions, users are responsible for responding to text messages from customers. These customers may have questions about a product or service, they may need help with an order, or require general customer support. Now, the user's job is to provide helpful, friendly, and accurate responses to these inquiries. For you to become a text agent with Working Solutions, you need to go through an application and screening process, which includes a background check. It's skills assessment to ensure that you have necessary qualifications and experience for the job. Once you're accepted, you can log into the app and start accepting text requests from customers. The next app on my list here is the Chat Shop. The Chat Shop is a messaging app that pays you to text customers on behalf of businesses. This app offers flexible work opportunities for people who are looking to earn money by text messaging. And it's a great option for you if you enjoy helping others and you have excellent communication skills. As a chat agent with the Chat Shop, you are responsible for answering customers' inquiries and text messages, and it may involve providing product information, troubleshooting technical issues, or offering general customer support. Your job is to provide high quality, friendly, and professional responses to customers' inquiries. Now, the Chat Shop pays its chat agents based on the number of chat conversations that they engage in and the time they spend working. The pay rate actually depends, but generally it ranges from $10 to $15 per hour. Yes, the more chats the user engages in, the more money that you can make. So guys, there's also another way to make money even if you do not have any social media following. Yes, one way to make money is by becoming a UGC content creator. UGC stands for user generated content, and you can register on apps like circle.com, circle.com, and you can also register on websites like findyourinfluence.com. I'm going to use findyourinfluence.com as an example, as a case study here. When you go on findyourinfluence.com, you register as a content creator, and then you get matched. You have to choose your, your area of interest, whether you are interested in fitness, or you're interested in cooking, you're interested in fashion, you're interested in gaming. There are different categories that you can select. And when you do that, you get matched with all of these various, niches. Now, these companies, they are brands that are, that advertise campaigns on these websites called findyourinfluence.com. And when you get matched, you can now apply to all of these amazing opportunities. So when you apply, you also get paid. Yes, in most cases, they pay you to showcase their products, with their audience, to create a video detailing the features of their products. And I'll give you an example. The top I'm wearing inside this outfit was given to me by a brand. It was sent to me by a brand. It's free. I get lots and lots and lots of outfits. I get lots of gifts. So you get branded gifts, and not just that, you also get paid to promote or to review these products, because these are typically items that you would buy on a normal day. So you get to keep your money, and then you also get paid again, and for your time. So Find Your Influence is an amazing platform where you can get lots of gigs. You can work with multiple brands at once. Just make sure that you have great time management skills and you're able to deliver in due course. Please do not receive their items without shooting video and giving them the link. Please do not do that. I hear a lot of content creators who don't have work ethics. They don't have values. Yes, they lack values. They go receive these products from brands and they never create the videos, and they don't get back to these brands, and it causes a rift and distrust between these brands. And that's why, in fact, some brands have started charging. They ask you to purchase with your money. Not all of them are scammers. They ask you to purchase with your money, and after you review the products, they then reimburse you back your money. Yes, there are some brands that work that way, yes, and they are 100% legit. And that is simply because a lot of content creators have burnt them, in time past. And unfortunately, the incoming content creators will have to pay for the distrust that those content creators have created in this space. So, but Find Your Influence doesn't do that. Find Your Influence is actually a website that allows these brands to, work with you directly, and they also get paid. They take the money on behalf of you, and once you deliver your projects or the work that you have promised the brand, then they release your payouts. Good thing is, Find Your Influence doesn't take any charge. They don't take any cut from your money. Whatever you charge these brands, whatever they offer you, is what they will give to you for your payout. And you can take any minimum, yes, as your payouts, yes. And I hope that with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you. My goodness, I still have not introduced myself. Please, if you are new here and you have not introduced yourselves, please introduce yourself in the comments. I'd like to know you, meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you, you guys are amazing. I see the love and your massive support. And to all of my Patreon members, thank you for your love as well. I see every single one of you. God bless you. If you want to be part of my exclusive Patreon community, please find the link in the description as well as in the comments. When you join my Patreon community, you can book a free one-on-one consultation with me. You have full and direct access to me. We can discuss all things grants, money, business, and everything in between. And if you're seeing me for the first time, let me also introduce myself. I think it's fair for me to introduce myself while you also introduce yourselves. My name is Mariam A, based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share 3 videos every week. So make sure that you make it a date to join me on this channel every week as I dive into the world of how to make money. Yes, so it's all about making money. And if you have not seen my previous videos, what are you waiting for? Oh yeah, go and watch my previous videos. Do well to also like this video and share this video with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And of course, I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys, and bye for now. God bless you.